Good morning, student. After a long period of time, our video of standard 8 maths, we will start a new chapter, square and square roots. First of all, we have to make a knowledge what is square. When a number multiplied with itself, then the product of both numbers, means the number and itself, is known as the square of a number. And the result will be, what will be the result? That is known as square number, or that is known as perfect square number. Okay, suppose that we are multiplying 2 into 2. Okay, 2 multiplied with 2, we will get 4, and 4 will be a perfect square number, means square number. Okay, now square, what is square? We have discussed when a number multiplied with itself, then the product of both is known as the square of that given number. Okay, now suppose that we have a 5, we have to find 5 square, then it will be written as 5 into 5, so we can write 25. 7 square, we can write 7 into 7, we can easily write 49. 12 square, we can easily write 12 into 12. All this is new for you, but you know the multiplication, and square means a number multiplied with itself. 2 means 2 times. 3 will be there, then it will become the cube. Okay? So, some properties of a square of a number, we will read that. Number 1. The square of even number is always even. The square of even number is always even. The square of odd number will be always odd. Okay, what I have told, the square of the even number is always even, the square of odd number is always odd. Okay, a number ending with 5 always have a 5 in its unit place. This is the third property. A number ending with 5 has a 5 in its unit place if we find the square of that number. Okay, now another much property are there, we will read one by one. Another one property, when a number end with 2, 3, 7 or 8, that number will be never be the square of any number. 2, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, suppose you have to find the square root of the number, then 2, 3, 7, 8 ending one place digit, then that can never be the square of a number. Suppose that 972 we have. If we find, then we will find that 972 is not a square, okay, of any number. So 2, 3, 7 and 8 never be in the unit place. Now we will read some property in the another class. Today we will learn two methods of finding a square. Number 1 is column method and number 2 is diagonal method. Okay, number 1 is column method and number 2 is diagonal method. Now number 1. Column method. What is column method? We have a formula for column method. A plus b whole square. We know formula. That will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Means every number, whatever the number, we will divide. Suppose that 95 we have the number, then b will be, a will be 9 and b will be 5. If we have 75, then a will be 7, b will be 5. We will apply the formula and we will find the result. But there are some technique which you have to apply. First of all, in the column method, you have to make 3 columns. We will write the 3 whatever present. A square, 2ab, and here will be b square. 2ab means 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b. Suppose that we have a number 65. We have to find the number square of 65. We will apply, here a is 6, b is 5. So here will be 6 square, here will be 2 into 6 into 5, and here will be 5 square. What you get? 6 square we have got 36. Here you will get 60. Here you will get 25. Now we have got 3 column, 3 product. Okay. Now writing, we will here ones place we will write first. Writing a square 5. Here 2 will be carried forward. means second digit whatever comes second third we will carry forward. Then again 2 will be written and 6 will be carried forward, and you will get 4 2 2 5. What you get? 4 2 2 5. Okay, what we have done, only say here we have to apply this formula in the column method. Okay, a square 2ab and b square. We will make 3 column of that. A square 2ab and b square. A square. Now suppose that we have to find, here in example we have given, we have to find the square of 65. A we have taken 6 and b we have taken 5. A square means 6 square, 2ab, 2 into 6 into 5, b square, that is 5 square. You will get 36, 60, 25. Now writing first digit, always you write second digit of that column, you will carry forward in the this. Okay, now 62 we will write 2 and 6 will be carried forward, and we will find the sum of both. Here no any carry forward, 42. So a square of 65, 65 square is 4225. We will look another example. Another example of square and square root method means column method. Suppose that you have to find the square of 135. Okay, what you have to find the square of 135. Here A you take 13 and B you take 5. Now column method you will make 3 column, and here you write A square, here you write 2AB, here you write B square. Now you will get 5 square, 2 into 13 into 5, and here it is 13 square. 169, 130, and here it is 25. So same method we will apply. So required result will be, you write here 135 square is equal to 5, 2 will be carried forward, that 2 will come here, okay, that will become 132, 13 will come here, then you will add, you will get 182. Final result 18225. Okay, 135 square is 182, means 18,225. That is just how we have done simple method. First 2 digit we have taken A and second digit we have taken 5. Means A we have taken 13, means first 2 digit, and then B we have taken 5. Now we have applied the column, 3 column we have made, write the formula, and now we will get the result. After getting the result, first digit is automatically written in the answer, and second is transferred to the preceding column, added there, and find the sum. You will get again, and first digit you will transfer here, and 13 you will add, and then you will get 18225. One more example you will look, student. Any number present, by with the help of column method, you can easily calculate. Suppose that you have to find the square of 85. So here A you have to take 8 and B you have to take 5. 3 column method. You write the, and then after 8 square, 2 into 8 into 5, and then it is 5 square. Now you will get your result, that is 25, 80, 64. Finally, first digit written here, second will be added there, you will get 2, again 8 will be added there, you will get 7, 2, 7, 2, 2, 5. Okay, finally you have got, and this is method is known as column method. Now, second method of finding a square is diagonal method. What method? Diagonal method. Diagonal method. Second method of finding a square, that is diagonal method. Okay. Now, what is a diagonal method? How we will do? Suppose that you have to find the square of 36. You have to find the square of 36. Here is 2 digit number. How many digits? 2 digit. You will make 2 column and 2 period. Okay. Here is 2. Now 2 4 square. 2 digit 4 square box you have to make. Divide it diagonally. Write in the number in this way. 3 6 3 6. Here also you write 3, 6. Means up to down and left to right. Now you have to multiply. Now what is the way of writing? 3 into 3, it will be 0, 9. Because 9 came, 3 into 3, 0, 9. 3 into 6, 18, 1, 8. 6 into 3, 1, 8, 18. And it will be 36. What we have to do, we will multiply 1 by 1 and we will get the result. 3 into 3, 0, 9, 3 into 6, 1, 8, 6 into 3, 18, 1, 8, 6 into 6, 36. Okay. Now diagonally you have to find the sum of all the digits. Here you have got 6, here you get 19, here you will get 11, here you get 0. Now one by one we will write. Therefore 36 square is equal to first write 90. First digit write, second you will do carry forward. You will write first digit, second you will carry forward. 0 plus 1 that will be 1 means 36 square is 1296 means 1296. Okay. What is the result? 1296. Now like this, if it is a 3-digit number and you have to find the square, then suppose that you have to find the square of 145. Then you have to make 3 into 3. Okay. How much? 3 into 3. All squares should be of same size. Okay. And diagonally we will divide them. One 45. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1 into 1, 0, 1. 1 into 4, 0, 4. 1 into 5, 0, 5. 4 into 1, 0, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. Same process. You will find the sum. In the one column, how much? Diagonally one column, you will get again you will write there. Therefore, answer is 145 square is equal to 5, 2, 0, 1, 2. Means 21025. 21025. That is your answer. How you have done? Only one digit, 5 rated. Only one digit, 2 rated. 2 digit, 0 rated, 2 carry. 9 to 11 become 1, 1 carry. 1, 1, 2. Means 210, 2, 5. Like this, you will try 2 type of question today. What is column method and what is diagonal method and how to find we have learned today. For today that much, and in the next video we will learn another method of finding the square and square root of a given number.